Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard a 2023 306 Grady-White. This is an absolutely wonderful boat. You've got to come aboard and let me show you some of the great features. First and foremost, I want to show you one of my favorite features on this boat. That's the side entry door. As you can see, it's great for getting on and off from the boat dock, but it's also great for dragging big fish in, or for scuba divers. There's even an alternate ladder that's stored on the boat that you can use for a dive ladder. Now, this boat already has a really nice dive ladder and door on the back, which will duplicate what we just told you about this one, except this one gives you the dock boarding feature. I love the way Grady does their back seats. It's really easy to tuck out of the way. It gives you a good tow hold for fishing, and you have great combing panels for fishing as well, but a really comfortable seat when you're not fishing. Love the fish box. This one's got a divider in it. If you want to keep your drinks on one side, fish on the other, or whatever. Great storage right here. And everything drains by gravity. That's Grady's deal. They like that. We have raw water on this boat, but we also have fresh water. This freshwater shower is great to rinse the salt off of you, but I love to rinse my fishing reels off. You've got plenty of rod holders. You can rinse all the salt off your equipment on the way back into the marina. What a wonderful tackle station we have here. Huge live well, more fresh water. Got a nice bait prep area with a cutting board on top, tool rack, more rod storage up here. Wonderful terminal tackle storage, and you've got plenty of drawer storage for your trays. Check that out, more tool storage. More storage on the side. These are all lockable drawers too. You can even lock your rods into the side lockers. So when you're not fishing, you can put them all in the side lockers, one on each side. Keep your rods stored neatly and out of the way. Come on, let's check out the helm area on this boat. Got a great helm station on here. Here's the full maneuverability joystick I was talking about earlier. You've got fish point, stay point, joystick drive, maneuverability, makes the boat go however you want it to. You can also hit a button and make it hold position, and even drift in a certain direction, even backwards for that matter. Great digital controls, huge Garmin screen. You'll notice we have room for another one. Now you've got your engine computer right here. It can also duplicate as a GPS if you need it to. Tilt steering. We've already equipped this one with a VHF radio. I love the way they do the adjustable seats here, but they also give us multiple footrests. So no matter if you're standing up to drive the boat, or you're using it for a lean-to or sitting down, it's a very comfortable setup. This is another cool feature I like. They've got a little glove box here for the cell phones and odds and ends you may have. Nice fusion stereo system. Got a full windshield on this boat, and we've also got a windshield wiper. You don't know you love that until you need it. It's a great feature to have. Got more lockable storage up here. Actually, where we have our VHF radio mounted. We have the remote mic down here for it. Another great feature on this boat's the head compartment. Check it out. Lots of room, lots of function, lots of storage. As you're moving forward, another awesome feature that we've got on this boat is this bow shade. And this is real easy for one person to deploy or stow away, yet it makes such a huge difference on this boat when you're out entertaining your guests or your family. Speaking of that, look at all these cushions up here, yet they're all removable. Every one of them just snaps on and gives you a nice non-skid platform underneath. So it's awesome for fishing, awesome for entertaining. And speaking of fishing, you can swivel these right out of the way, and they make great combings no matter which way you're facing, and they're out of the way so you can get to your fish boxes up front. Got another really nice bench seat here, and this boat being yacht certified is something you could use for just about everything and entertain a lot of guests. Electric anchor on the front. This boat's the beautiful blue hull with the beautiful blue underneath the hardtop there. You'll notice we've got the crank outriggers on here already. Y'all got to come see this boat. It's just awesome. This is also one of our best sellers here. It's a good size, a great offshore, very seaworthy boat. Yet it's real easy to deal with for one person. Come check us out. I'm Paul. I'm the MarineMax. I'll be glad to take care of you.